Hi guys, welcome to this video, which will be an unboxing video and also a review of the Asus VivoBook. In this video, we are going to review the new laptop Asus X1605Z, which comes with different variants, but they are very close in terms of performance and also settings. So let's give it a look and see this beautiful laptop. This laptop comes with a processor i5 from Intel, but also it can come also with a processor Core i7. And when it comes to the RAM, you might be able to get one with 8 GB RAM, and some of them are even with 16 or 32 based on the seller's settings. This laptop comes with a 16 inches screen with IPS panel type, a display type anti-glare, and aspect ratio is 16 by 10 with a display refresh rate of 60 Hz by 300 nits in terms of luminosity. When it comes to the charger, this laptop has a charger with 45 watt capacity, and it comes with a battery of number of cells of 3 pieces, and battery capacity is 42 watt hour, and it doesn't charge via USB-C, charges via the classical Asus charger looking like jack plug. The laptop is fully made of plastic. It comes with a numeric keyboard and also a fingerprint reader, and the webcam is with a capacity of 720 pixels. The keyboard is very comfortable, and also the mousepad is also comfortable and it's very highly responsive. The laptop comes with an Intel Core i5 Alder Lake 12th generation, and for this year it comes with an Intel Core i5 1235U Alder Lake. It contains a number of core processor of 10, and it comes with a frequency of 1.3 GHz and with a core boost frequency of 4.4 GHz with a cache processor with a capacity of 10 megabit. It allows, or the CPU features are automatic overlooking, hyper-threading, and virtualization support. In the back of the laptop, you will find the processor fan and 2 speakers. One is on the right and one is on the left. When it comes to the sound quality, is very decent and acceptable. The laptop comes with USB-C connector with the number of one HDMI connector, a combo audio jack connector, and it comes with USB 2 with the number 1 and 2 USB port 3.2 first generation. It comes with Bluetooth V5 and it comes with Wi-Fi 802.11ax, and it comes with a Wi-Fi version 6. Unfortunately, it comes without an optical drive. The laptop width is 358 millimeter and maximum height is 19 millimeter and the depth is 249 millimeter. It supports multiple languages and it has a total weight of 1.88. This laptop came with an integrated graphic card Intel Iris Xe, and it came with a hard disk type SSD, 512 gigabit capacity, type PCI NVMe, and total capacity is half terabyte of 512 giga. Also, this laptop came with 16 gigabit RAM, memory type DDR4. I have been using it for about few hours now. I'm very satisfied with it. It's quite fast. However, the initial settings takes a little bit of time. It takes up to 5 to 10 minutes. This laptop comes with Windows 11 and you might be able to find it also without operating system. You can close the camera either by clicking on the button in your keyboard to close it or even moving the button which covers the camera physically. And I find it very nice, especially for those people concerned about the privacy. I have been using the laptop for now about 12 hours. I have played several games and I have used it for watching few films with different qualities. And certainly I have been surprised by the high performance and of this laptop and also how fast it is. Certainly I'm very satisfied with it, especially that I didn't pay more than $500 to get it. So as a final rating, taking consideration that I have reviewed multiple laptops, I will give this laptop a 9 from 10 for its performance. And essentially, I was surprised by the high capacity and performance of this laptop. If you are planning to buy it, I would suggest to you to go ahead and get it because it's really, really very good laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and let us know what do you think of this laptop in the comments. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.